Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong within. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, now time to see if I can get the motor in. Okay, I think this needs to turn around. Don't want to mark that.
Frost on the tank and the sun's barely through. A merino morning, just the sky and the blue. I find the compression waiting for the sign. Needle on the speedo is right in line. One heavy kick and the silence is gone. Awakened giant at the break of the dawn. It's not a scream, it's a low, steady drum. 500cc's getting ready to run, and it goes dug, dug, dug down the road, carrying the weight of a rider's load, up through the twisting
Hmm.
down the bed. And it goes dug, dug, dug down the road, carrying the weight of a rider's load. Past the chain of ponds where the water shines,
Yeah, let's see if I can.
leaving my worries behind. Yeah, the world fades out when the engine starts. Just the rhythm of the road and an iron heart. Pulling into lobby, they'll kill switch down. The silence is louder than the noise of the town. The ticking of the metal as it starts to cool. Man, there's nothing like the ride on an old school mule.
Okay. Of course, the bracket. Maybe that's not where the bracket went. Maybe I'll try and get the top one in first.
Out in the shed where the evenings are brighter, I pull out the wrenches in my drill driver. A heavy steel frame, a tank painted silver,
I'll put the front one on.
the prettiest thumper with a sound that's killer. The finest 500 that I've ever seen. 41 on the torque, 27 on the horse. She's a thumping, reliable, ironclad force. I check on the chain and I'm wiping the mud. That single pot motor is pumping my blood. 3 liters to the 100, she takes it so slow. Through the Adelaide hills where the eucalypts blow. The spring-mounted saddle, the fender's so wide.
I'm just going to do these all finger tight until I get them all lined up, and I am going to put Loctite on everything. Okay, let's so happy to go there.
Some look for the fast lane, some look for the speed, but this old push rod is all that I need. Made like a gun,
Down a touch.
clear on the crest. She's got that old rhythm that puts me to rest. We've ridden for miles and we'll ride 'em again. Through the good times and the rain. So kick her on over, let the neutral light shine. That ripped and deep vital is nothing but fine. Drop it in first, let the highway unfold. Another good story that's never been told. My classic Royal Enfield is ready for the road.
Okay,
Just me and my Enfield.
should be able to.
Watch my stress unload.
Okay, that's the one captive for that. Okay, time to get some spanners and Loctite.